Good morning, student. This video is for class 4 student, and the same first chapter 1 is going on, and chapter name is large number exercise 1b. We are discussing 1 to 3 question number I had explained you yesterday. Today I will be explaining you from question number 4, and as you can see there is question number 4. Insert commas to the number according to Indian place value chart and hence write them in words. As you can see, the question, as I had given you the question in book page also in PDF, you can watch the question over there also, and here also I am showing there is 6,66,633, and I had earlier explained you that we can put comma after ones, then after thousand, and then after lakh. As you can see, here it is after 3 I had kept comma. This is ones, tens, 100. Combiningly it is called ones. So after this here it is comma, and after 1000 and 10,000 one comma I had kept. And there is an 10 lakh, so if there would have been crore, then after 10 lakh I would have been kept comma. And then after here it has been also said hence write them in words. After putting comma according to Indian place value chart, you have to write them in word also. So I have written in the word. You can see it is 6,66,633. In this way we have to make. I am giving all the solutions so that the students should not get any difficulty in making it. Another question is 1,11,957. Earlier also I had said how to read it. By simply counting from last you can read it. Ones, tens, 100. After 100 I had kept comma. 1,000, 10,000. After 10,000 I had kept comma, and there is lakh. So 1,11,957. In word also I had written 1,11,957. Now you can see it. For 4,38,622, and as you can see I had kept 1 comma after lakh and 1 comma after 1,000. That means after ones 1 comma and after 1,000 1 comma. So it becomes 4,38,622. Now there were 3 questions in question number 4. Now you can see question number 5. Here it has been written write the correct digit in the correct place for the given number in the table. As you can see in the question I had filled over here, because I am giving you solution also. These all the numbers I had filled. If you will watch in question you will see these places were blank, and the questions are 23,451, 6,69,933, 1,91,000, and 5,34,213. You can see in place of ones there was 1, so I had kept 1. Then after 5, then 5, 4, then 4, 3, then 3, 2, then 2. What happened? You have to start to keep from here, and you have to start to fill from ones. When you will fill in this way, you will not get any problem. If you will start to fill from here, that will become wrong, because it is not necessary that all digits are of 6 digit only. This is 5 digits. So here lakhs will be left, not ones will be left. That you have to keep in your brain. Now the 6th question, that is write the place value of each digit in 4,829 and 83,001. As you remember last time also, while explaining you on the board, I had explained you. Place value is equal to place into face value. These ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, these are place. And face value is 1, 5, 4, 3, 2. These are the face value. So with face value, when we multiply place, then we will get place value. Same thing I had shown you over here. You can see it. 9, its place is ones and face value is 9. So 1 into 9 is 9. That is the place value. In same way, 2, its place is 10 and face value is 2. So 10 into 2, 20 is the place value of 2. 8, its place is 100. 1 tens 100. So 100 into 8, 800. And 4, its place is 1000 and face is 4. So 4 into 1000, 4000. These all are the place value of 9, 2, 8 and 4. In same way, you can see the next question. 1, it is in 1's place. So I had multiplied 1 into 1. That is the place value comes 1. 0, it is in 10's place. So 10 into 0, 0. You might have remember I had said with 0, any number is multiplied, or by 0 we multiply any number, then it becomes 0 only. In same way, 100 into 0, it is 0. And then after 1s, 10s, 100 and then after 1000. So the place of 3 is 1000. So 1000 into 3, 3000. And the place of 8 is 10,000. So 10,000 into 8, 80,000. These are the place value. I hope you all can see now clearly when I am explaining you on the page. And yesterday I had seen that the black ink also has been seen clearly. So there is no doubt of now blurring since the image is also being sent. I hope you all are understanding and writing these things in your copy and even remembering these things. So I hope your class is not being hampered in this lockdown and you are utilizing your time properly at your home. With this hope, thank you for today. Again I will be coming with the question 7, 8, 9 and different notes tomorrow. Thank you.